In this clip, I'll show you how to name this trinary compound. So the first thing to do is to solve for the oxidation number of carbon. And how do we go about that? We'd say the number of atom here, hydrogen will be written here, 2, open bracket. The valence state of hydrogen is positive 1, plus, that's in bracket, plus our carbon, there's an invisible one here. I'll write it here. I'll say open bracket x, close bracket, plus the number of atoms to the oxygen is 3. So we'll say 3. And the valence state of oxygen is negative 2. Everything equals 0 since there is no charge. Next, our open bracket, 2 times plus 1, it's positive 2, which is just 2, plus 1 times x is x, plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, equals 0. Next thing is to isolate x. And how do we isolate x? We carry negative 6 and positive 2 to the other side. So we'll be left with x equals positive 6, 0, positive 6, negative 2. And this would become x equals positive 4. So x equals positive 4. Next, how do we name H2CO3? I would write it here again. H2CO3. The first thing is the hydrogen. We write out hydrogen and it becomes hydrogen. Next, the number of oxygen, which is the last element. We go to the last element, that's oxygen, and we have the numbers of atom of oxygen here is 3. So we say hydrogen tri. Since it's 3, we say tri. The oxygen will change to oxo. Then we'll come to the middle element, which is carbon. This is carbon here. So we say hydrogen trioxo carbon, but this time around we'll change it from carbon to carbonate, ATE at the end. Hydrogen trioxo carbonate. And what's the oxidation state of the carbon in this compound? Is actually 4. So we say IV. So this is the name of the element. Hydrogen hydrogen, from this hydrogen, tri, these 3 atoms of oxygen, oxo for the oxygen, carbonate for this carbon, 4 from the oxidation state. So it's hydrogen trioxo carbonate 4. Would you like to solve other questions to this? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.